Week 7, zipping along, zippity-doo-dah. Here we are in English 112, Johnson Community College, fall 2018. Alright, so last week we introduced the rhetorical analysis assignment. Okay, and what was due, actually it's due the 26th, the day beginning of this week. The annotated bibliography is also due on the 26th, which again can be found, that submission can be found in last week, week 6. But for week 7, we do have some work to do, and it doesn't seem like much, and I'll explain why we're doing this. So yeah, it'll be a thing. So we're coming up on fall break, and you'll see next week how we're going to handle that. But to help you this week, we only have one assignment, and that is to complete the 7th research log. And the 7th research log is directly tied to the rhetorical analysis paper. So for the rhetorical analysis paper, what you needed to do was pick one article that you had chosen. So for your annotated bibliography, you had 10 articles. So for the rhetorical analysis, you choose one, and then you're going to analyze it. Now, when you analyze the article, you needed to look at ethos, pathos, and logos. Okay, that's for the full-blown rhetorical analysis paper. For Research Log 7, it's kind of like a little head start on that. So, in a well-written paragraph of at least 300 words, analyze one aspect of the article, either ethos, pathos, and logos. So, to clarify this, for the log, you're just doing either ethos or pathos or logos for that article you picked that you're going to be using for your rhetorical analysis. For the full-blown rhetorical analysis, you're going to do all three. But for this research log, you're going to only do one. And guess what? You can use this one that you're using for Research Log 7 as part of your overall rhetorical analysis paper. Consider this like a little mini draft. So this will give me a chance to look at your research log and make sure you understand, oh, yeah, they're doing it right. So if you completely messed up this concept, I can catch it here in Research Log 7 and give you feedback so you can fix it before you finish your full rhetorical analysis paper. So again, in 300 words, you're basically just doing part of the rhetorical analysis paper and uploading it as Research Log 7. Just one of either ethos, pathos, or logos for Research Log 7. Again, the full-blown assignment, which is due next week, would have all three, but for Research Log 7, there's only one. Have I beat that to death? I hope so, because there are so many students, not so many, but there is a student at least every semester that says, now, am I supposed to do all three for Research Log 7? No, that's why we have the word or there. Or. Again, this is designed to help you kind of get started, go down that road, and lets me see it to help you as far as getting that done. Okay, so that's it. That's it for this week. This means we're going to give you time to work on your rhetorical analysis. You'll need to start working on it. Don't wait till the last minute, because next week the due dates are a little different, which I'll explain when you get to week 8. Okay, so that's it for week 7. And, okay, go get it done.